In this video, we're going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Google Drive. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. On the main page of ChatGPT, we simply need to click the plus icon on the prompt box, then go down to Add from Apps, then select Connect to Google Drive. You will now need to sign into your Google account. Once signed in, if we go back to the plus icon, then Add from Apps, then Google Drive, it will bring up this window where we can browse and select files from our G Drive. We can simply click on the file that we would like to use, then click Select. It will now add the file to the prompt box, and we can ask questions or enter prompts based on the document we just uploaded. That's all we have for this video on connecting ChatGPT to Google Drive. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.